Ok. Oi pessoal, Josemar de novo. Este é o Adrian. Adrian is a French guy and we're doing this interview in English because it's easier for me and he's very comprehensive. Well, Adrian, I would like you to share with Brazilian students this experience. Why did you choose in the first place to study abroad, to study at the University of Padova and this kind of stuff, and what else you want to say?
Hello everybody, so my name is Adrian. I actually came here because I love to travel. Travel has been the really most important thing in my life as an experience because it gave me a lot of perspective on how this world functions on different experiences. So for me, travel is something that's gonna
I think if you speak with a lower volume, it gets better. No, it's not a problem.
So, travel is for me something that has a lot of meaning and importance. As I already traveled before, and I have started to develop a mode of living through travel. And for me, it always has been phases of I travel, I'm active, I'm doing things directly. And then I have phases where I stop traveling and I get into a place to learn, develop knowledge, and broaden my understanding through more a theoretical point of view. But from the beginning, the idea is that through travel, I am learning by interacting. While when I'm studying, I'm more taking distance, taking theory to be learning. So with those two methods of learning, I always try to go one and then the other. And this opportunity, this program, which is the study program, that allows me to go into one university one semester, then another university the next semester, and then keep on doing like this for 2 years, is a continuity of what I've been doing so far. But this time, getting the two way of learning together, having that really important learning methodology through experience and being with things, and also the learning process that you can get through theory and learning with books. So that's why I found that experience really important to me regarding what I've been doing and learning so far. But also, it was important as a human experience because I never have been traveling with people. I always traveled on my own, and I wanted to see how it would be to actually integrate a group of people with who I will be traveling for 2 years in this case, because it changes a lot the traveling dynamic, because you have to integrate others, you have to understand what's going on for others, what is the dynamic as a group traveling, and that was for me a new perspective that I could gain, because instead of focusing when I travel about what I want to do, what I think, and what I can develop on my own, interacting with other, now it was about traveling with other, thinking as a group traveling, and what is our perspective as a group.
Beautiful.
And so it was really a new way to think, a new way to travel, a new way to interact with a new environment which is changing, and trying to see the difference.
Good.
So that's for me really the human experience part of it that interests me. And I like to read, I like to write, and I believe that this human experience will bring me new ideas to write about. And so it's an enrichment because it allows me to see travel from others' perspective, while before I only had mine mainly. So that's really important to me.
Beautiful. Thank you. And